Now we're moving on to ground beef sirloin in our Sloppy Joe casserole. I've got 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef browning up in some olive oil. Now I'm gonna add the rest of my starting lineup. 1 onion, chopped, 1 red bell pepper, seeded and finely chopped, some salt and pepper, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and I've got a big old pot of water coming up to a boil for our elbow pasta. Remember to buy elbows with lines, because they hold more sauce. Salt the pasta water as well, please. It's the only chance you get to flavor the pasta itself. Okay, so I'm just gonna let those onions and peppers cook out a little bit and make up my Sloppy Joe sauce. I'm gonna start with a can of tomato sauce. This is a 14-ounce can. Sometimes the grocery store's fickle with the tomato sauce. I don't know why. Sometimes they only have the little 8-ounce cans. Just buy 2 of those. Then I throw in a couple tablespoons of vinegar. You can use red wine, cider, whatever you have in the pantry. A couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire. A couple tablespoons of brown sugar. I like a dark brown sugar. Lots of coarse black pepper. Give that a little stir. So to my base sauce, I'm gonna add 1 cup of beef stock. So you're gonna make this a little looser than you would a straight up Sloppy Joe. It's gotta be nice and saucy so it can get along with the pasta. Now, don't let this thicken up too much. Remember, you want it a little saucier than a Sloppy Joe. I only simmer this about 5 minutes once I get the special sauce and the beef stock in there. Then I combine it with my cooked pasta. Give it a stir. Oh, this is heaven. Heaven! Sloppy Joe mac. Are you kidding? Yum. Yeah, enough to feed an army. Top it with your cheddar cheese. And now for a make-ahead meal, you can cool this completely, cover it and store it till the night you want to serve, then just uncover it and bake it off at 400 until it's brown and bubbly on top and hot through. How about that? Sloppy Joe mac. Now, when I have a Sloppy Joe sandwich, I always put chopped pickles up on mine. So I'm going to garnish this casserole with chopped pickles too. Now, it's optional, but I'm telling you, it is highly recommended. What a cute dish, right? 2 in a row that like bring out the kid in everybody. Delicious.